Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I've always been more drawn to painting landscapes rather than portraits. I enjoy creating scenes and spaces through my artwork, building my own world of imagination. However, recently, I've come to realize that portrait drawing is still a weak spot for me. I struggle with capturing movement and facial expressions, so I decided to dedicate some time to sketching projects to improve. That being said, copying from sketchbooks felt a little boring, so instead, I decided to approach it differently by sketching subjects that genuinely interest me and finding faces that catch my eye. Lately, I've become really interested in the fashion of the Roaring Twenties. Perhaps it's been influenced by the Great Gatsby, and I've even started learning the Charleston dance on my own. Flappers are true icons of the Roaring Twenties. They redefine the female role, known for their rebellious spirit and defiance of tradition. So today, I've decided to base my sketching projects on the theme of flappers, and I hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, let's take a quick look at what defines the flapper aesthetic. The 1920s saw a revolutionary shift in women's hairstyles, with short hair becoming an iconic feature of the era. The bob cut, in particular, symbolized independence and freedom, breaking away from traditional constraints. While searching for references, I came across many short hairstyles, and the short, wavy bob stood out as an important element for today's piece. As for the makeup of the 1920s, it featured pale matte skin, downturned set eyes, rosy blush, and heart-shaped blood red lips. This dramatic contrast was partly due to the limitations of early photography. Pale skin and bold eye and lip makeup helped enhance facial features, making them more striking and expressive. To reflect this, I'll be emphasizing the eyes and lips in my sketching while keeping the rest of the face light and minimal. While looking for reference photos, I also noticed many images capturing a dreamy, slightly drooping expression in the eyes, giving a mysterious, romantic, and even seductive vibe. So I make sure to highlight that in my sketch as well. I really love the fashion of this era, which was full of beadworks, sequins, and embroidery. While my main focus in this piece is on the facial expression, I still enjoy incorporating these details into the outfit, even though they only take up a small part of the drawing. After finishing the sketch, I suddenly had the idea of adding color to it. Since it's a pencil drawing, applying watercolor directly could smudge the lines. So instead, I decided to scan the artwork and experiment with coloring it digitally on my iPad. And that's today's piece. This project was a lot of fun. Stepping out of my comfort zone was a bit challenging, but when you are drawing something you're passionate about, the whole process feels exciting and enjoyable. I hope this inspires you in some way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.